Okay, hello and welcome back to our digital channel. Okay, where I talk about different type of tools, marketing tools, or online business or building tools, right? So in this video, I'm going to talk this about wonderful Canva, probably known by many of you guys already, but for who beginner or haven't started using Canva yet. So this video is purposely is for you, but also stay tuned to the end because I might just look around and to additional features Canva might have. Now, might even know about it already. So canva.com, that's how you go to it. You can sign up, sign in if you're not already. And what can you do basically is a design tool, like you see in the screen. You can design different type of like banners, a social media post. You can do a PDF. You can do now implemented with the AI, which is make it more powerful and more useful. And it's very easy to be productive with Canva because Canva have a lot of templates already embedded within it. So basically, they borrow stocks from different type of partners. One of the example is Pixis. Instead, they use the same one or different partner, but I remember I used to use Pixis. They have it inside here, so you don't have to go like download from different side, then come back and And to be honest, who wants to design from scratch, right? You just want to pick one design that's, for example, social media reels, or you can type TikTok, then pick you up, so, and then you just pick one of the template, edit it, which make it life a lot more easier. Now, if you look at the screen, this when you sign up or sign in, that's the main page will look like. They changed a lot since they started. At least what I know, 2 3 years ago, it's changed a lot. Now you can research here all your content, basically whether you saved it or not. And once you click on it, like I just did now, they give you the option of type, then you go through what search you're looking for, right? To make it easy and specific here, right? And then you go second tab, which is categories, right? Is it landscape video, which is more now for YouTube? Is it presentation if you're doing for some type of college or university project? Logo, if you try to design logo for a business or for your own self logos, right? And then let's go on. I don't want to I'm just gonna scroll and show you there. Then owner. So obviously it's gonna be just me now. And that's a good thing about Canva now. You can add owners instead of just sharing. There's other way I'm gonna show in this video also. You share a certain project if you don't want to add anyone on your Canva. There's a way when it's finished at the end, you click on share, you can share that link and that person can edit it, right? So you can do two ways. One you share without able to edit, one you share they can edit. Similar to Google Suite, right? Where you can share and allow editing on a Word document in this instance. Now, data, our date modified, so you can define a certain date. So when I'm talking about AI, I think it was here. So let's say you want YouTube, for example, thumbnail, right? YouTube thumbnail. So you don't need to hire any more example. If you want to wish to do, of course, you can go ahead if you don't have time. But with Canva, you can design your own YouTube thumbnail, and it's very easy. Like you just see now, I type YouTube thumbnail, and below it here now, it shows you some of the design, my design anyway, my folders, my videos. But I'm gonna show a way around how to look at it because, to be honest, I haven't not touched that navigation section and how to use it. So what you need to do is click on create. Now, before I click on create and anything, I'll show an example, you put thumbnail or a logo. On the left side, you go through what is it. So you click on home, which is basically we are home already. But now we show you reset project here. Then what is, yeah, just you reset all your projects. It shows you when you click on home. Then in here, before reset projects, it shows the things you want to do. Yeah, like quick access links, quick access icons, make it easy for you. Example, you want to do email. This is new. Let's go through an example. Yeah, opens your email. So a good thing about opening your new page, which is good because you don't want, if you're not sure, then you can just close it and come back, jump back fast to it. Now, don't mind my laptop is too slow. Uh, and that's why I want to get something new now. I'm about to get something new. So I start designing. So this is email templates, right? It's great for newsletter, regular newsletter and that. Now let's close this one and send email test. Wait, do you have email marketing inbuilt now? I think so. Basically, Canva can actually build a website too, right? So what that means, you can also navigate your domain here and probably email like I'm seeing now and do your stuff there. I think they're going towards all-in-one marketing tool, what design was, but now tools also. Maybe that's what they're going towards. So, okay, for another video, you can do that. Send email test, okay? Or just send the test, I think, only to your email so you look what design look like. Now, explain this was icon is now here project obviously same project. Now if you click on template, so what I'm gonna show you is different templates, same like icon but expanded, right? You can check more stuff, different type of template, different type of shape in case you're not sure what shape or size you want. This gives you different size, different ideas where you can just go click on it, then it gives you more ideas in the same size. And then let's just get example. Let's click on this one. Yeah, for example, self-care, Pinterest or something you might do, right? Now, you notice this, they have different variation that could be also an Instagram post, like cruise, right? But in there it says Basta Mathematical Samples poster. So it's great for poster, really. And they have more posters idea, like I told you. Now, if you want this one, you click on complete, but you can also uh, change things you want to do here. It's very great. I have uni project now. I'm gonna do poster. I think A1, yeah, A1. So and then you choose one of these ones. So to be honest, it's amazing, amazing, amazing tool. Now, and this one brand, and if you see this sample here, like a king, basically what it means is premium, where you have to pay for it. And there's so many templates there, it's premium also. As it means you have to pay for the paid plan, which is about $10 to $12, right? Now, when you click on a brand, you can brand certain things and save it because when you want to pull it up, it's gonna be easy and quick, right? So we're gonna go detail this in another video. Now, Canva AI, this one I haven't seen it before, is new. So what's Canva AI is, okay? You tell it what you need to do, or you pick one of the templates here. For example, video, image, code, write, design, and the list goes on. Now, we stick to the videos. Let's see how effective our good video is. Now, we say, can you this get I need to a cat walking towards the house, then shout to come in. No? Kasi video na honey. Okay? Now, it's just type this one and click the prompt editor, hit the editor. Okay, so now I'm going to give you an example, which I type this. Okay, now I just typed it. امسك بقى خليك. مسك الباب خليه. Now, I type this on the prompt. Can do cat walking towards the house, then shout to come in. Probably it's not purpose for grammar, but what is happening here? It says teaching Bexus how to dance. Wait, did I hit enter? I think it's not enough. So make me no, not again. Make me video of a cat that walking back to his house. Then the cat shout to come in. Now let's try it this way and see if that works better. Now you just say thinking, obviously you need thinking it time, which is like this type of interface, friend interface, you're not seeing any different cues, you didn't see any other way to now it says queuing up the director, right? So kind of just make you try to make you bench it here, Canva. So on it said, please wait a moment while I put your cat video together. So, and I love this how he picked that he wants a cat video and he narrowed it down in it. It's because about cat video. So he read all things. This AI well trained, is This AI well trained because he read all the sentences and then he know what you want and he told you it's a cat video and he can put it together for you. So this might take up to 2 minutes. So yeah, bear in mind it takes some time because if you're either using free version or even the paid version, haven't bought this in test or context of test, but usually it might take longer because it's a new feature in Canva, right? So you don't expect it to be faster as another tool, Midjourney or Leonardo AI. Expect it to take some time. Now it says pop in the version popcorn. So try to be funny there just to make you kind of relax. What I usually do, I go and do different things, right? While it does that. So We keep okay. Now he did it. Amazing. Can you see that? Look at this cutie card. Now, let's see the option here. There's three dots there. I usually click on it so you can report the result. Let's see if it was not inappropriate or not something you're not supposed to be. You can enlarge that one, and if you enlarge it in a different Canva, and they say use Canva edit, so you can edit it out. Let's say you want to make, to be honest, a YouTube video or something short, or you can play with it around here, and it's so amazing. Now you have download icon in here, and you have it download here, which I tell you, I'm gonna download it and see the quality of that. Now download it very quickly. It's happy about. Please move the window away from the shared. Okay. Now here you go. So you can add some sound to it and that. I wish I'm gonna make another video if you're interested. You can make it like a movie now for like how many Canva is it? $10 a month, $10 a month for a whole movie, and you can monetize your channel barely. But now careful, YouTube is knocking down monetization with using AI. Okay, now if I want to make this video not too long, but just one more thing I told you about apps. So Canva have third-party apps you can implement with it. That's mean if you're signed up or signed to different apps, then you can just sign up here again and bring all your projects from these different apps to Canva. And just to give one example to end this video with, now, if you click in AI generation, here's the categories again, which Canva do all the time, make things easier. So this type of AI tools is implemented within Canva, or actually third party, which is API. If you have it, if you know about API, text to speech, AI voice, and what's not. It's something is worth to go through and play around. I would want to end this video to here. I hope you enjoyed this video and this tutorial about Canva. And make sure you give me some subscribe because I'm talking about different more tools, especially in Canva and building a landing page, building the sales funnels, and doing the email marketing. So I'm going to try how to do email marketing, how to write a good email marketing or a copywriting page for landing page, right? So stay tuned and thank you very much.